Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you a really fun module that I have recently discovered. It is called privy, and privy is a small utility that allows you to password protect secrets. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it. What we need to do is to pip install privy, and once it is installed, let's upgrade pip. Once it is installed, what we can do is to create a demo script. So privy demo _1.py. What we will do is to import privy, and we can use the input function to acquire a password, or what's better is to use the getPass module and getPass function to do the same. So password equals getPass. Enter the pass for encrypt. And now what we can do is to create a variable called data, and this should be a byte-like object denoted by the big character, and this is the top secret. Now, in order to hide it from prying eyes, what we can do is to use the privy.hide function, and we can provide the data and we can provide the password. And then what we can do is to try to print the data. So not the data, but rather the hidden. So could not install access denied. Great. So Python, and let's enter the folder. So Python privy demo _1. So start !1 2 3, and this is how the encrypted data would look like, or the hidden data. And what we can do is to use the unhidden variable to print out whatever comes from the privy peak. So the peak needs two arguments. One is the hidden, and the other is the password. And now what we can do is to print the unhidden, and that's it. So start !1 2 3, and as you can see, this is the unhidden version. And that was one which I wanted to show you, and the other is going to show you how you can use it to work with files. So for example, you have a file called hidden, and from the getPass we would like to import the getPass function as well. So password is going to come from the getPass. Enter password, and now what we would like to do is to have our data defined, and this is the secret. And what we would like to do is to use the with open statement and call this hidden, and we need to open it with write binary mode as hidden file, and we would like to use the hidden.file.write and use the privy.hide for the data and the password, and we need to encode this one to be written. Alright, now let's run it. So start, exclamation mark 1, 2, 3. And if we go here, you will see in the folder that there is a file called hidden. Now let's try and decrypt it. So privy demo _3, and I'm going to repurpose this one, and we will use the with open hidden as read binary, so hidden file, and we will just simply print the privy dot peek hidden file dot read and the password, and this should work. So demo 3 start exclamation mark 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, we have successfully decoded. And there is another interesting option that you can use, and it's called basically the security level. So the security level is going to modify the runtime of the encryption or decryption, and there are 20 different security levels, and when you are using the hide function, you should be able to specify it. So Python import privy, and what we would like to do is to not this way. So let's create what should we create? Oh, we have the clear. Yeah. Oh no, let's do it on the console. So import privy data is this is a secret, and the pass is going to be this is a password, and what we would like to do is to use the privy that hide data password and use the security level. So let's give it the security level 5. So this is how much likely it took. So 1 second. It should be longer if we are using 6, even longer if we are using 7, as this is going to have an impact on the performance. But it can give you like a greater security, maybe. Let's see how this CPU does. So let's give it the 8. Ah, well, it is not using that much CPU, but rather memory. So technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.